5 easy techniques you can use to take control of your life. When life becomes overwhelming, you need to take back the reins so you don't lose control. In this presentation, you're going to find out 5 of the easiest ways you can take control of your life starting today. Number 1. Face your fears. Your fears are all in your head, but it can hold you back from doing what you want to do. Some of your fears may be illogical. Some people may even find it funny. But know this, the moment you stop fearing something, you'll experience freedom like you've never known before. Of course, this is easier said than done. But with self-awareness and a positive mindset, you can face your fears head on. Number 2. Handle your finances. Whether you like it or not, you need money to survive. Money allows you to buy things that will make your life easier. It allows you to go to the places you'd have no hope of ever seeing if you didn't have money. But sometimes you may unknowingly live beyond your means. In the blink of an eye, you could be deep in debt. You want to avoid that at all cost. The responsible thing to do is handle your finances like an adult so you can take better control of your life. Number 3. Stop wasting time. Good old procrastination is the number one culprit for wasting time. Instead of doing something really important, people spend it on doing frivolous things. Some examples include checking your social media account every 5 minutes or so, binge watching TV shows like you've got all the time in the world, and other similar activities. Number 4. Have a to-do list. Having a to-do list is not the same as actually doing the things listed on the to-do list. It's called taking action. Some people can create to-do lists, but fail to take any action. And does that get them anywhere? Did they accomplish anything? No. Taking control of your life truly begins when you do what needs to be done. Number 5. Learn to say no. Saying no to something you really want to do is hard. But if you know it's going to be detrimental to your goals in life, then you need to start saying no with conviction.